A really big part of ProStreet Online this year is user-created content. Players can create blueprints, they can create race days, and then they can share these blueprints and their race days with any of their friends online. Visit NFSpeed.com and give the blueprint demo a try. Using the blueprint demo, you can choose from any one of 4 cars, and you can customize this car. You can visually customize the car, and you can customize the car's performance. It's a taste of what customization in ProStreet is going to be all about. You can apply a few body kits, you can adjust the performance tuning of the vehicle, you can save your blueprint, and when you do have the game, download the blueprint to yourself and give yourself a head start on career. Visit NFSpeed.com, give the blueprint demo a try, and get a head start on your ProStreet career.